Okay, this is a 1993 Suzuki Carry. I'm going to be changing the gear oil today. It's the first time I'm using the GoPro for this. Hopefully I don't mess it up. This is the correct gear oil to use, 7590. The main thing is to use GL4. Do not use GL5 because there's brass synchronizing gears that need to be protected by this rated oil, GL4. I looked in the manual several times. I can't really find exactly the transmission I have, or I can, but it's not real clear. But there's the transmission right here, and I'm going to show you what I've kind of gathered the correct way to fill and refill, drain and refill this gear oil, with a little contradiction from the manuals. Actually, there's not a lot of good information on the manual for replacing this actually, but I'm going to show you what one guy on the internet showed me, which at first I thought could be wrong, but I think he's right now after a third or fourth look at this thing. But I'll show you a curiosity that I've come across that's still confusing me. But I'm gonna go under. Is this thing long? Screen went blank, so I guess it was still on. I'm going to go under the car, and there's the fill plug right there where my finger is. Okay, to get you orientated, I'm going to come back. There's the front of the car, and there's the engine, and right here I believe is the fill plug, and we're going to go under and take a look at it underneath the car right now. This thing's a little hard to find. Okay, there's the fill plug right there, I think, and it comes off with a 3/8 wrench, no socket. It just sticks right in that square. It's a square key. Right there. I have taken it off before and oil has come out, so I put it back on. I didn't change it, but right below that, we're going right below that. Right there is another plug with the same square key, 3/8 socket. Now this is really kind of a transfer case, but I guess it's hooked up to the gear oil, the 5-gear oil, 5-gear transmission, which there's an opening. So I guess when you drain it here, why is this going off?